Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Installing pip in Python on Visual Studio Code, vscode, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Pip is a package manager for Python that simplifies the process of installing and managing Python packages. Visual Studio Code, vscode, is a popular integrated development environment, IDE, that supports Python development. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to install pip in Python within the VS Code environment. Step 1. Install Python and VS Code. Before proceeding, ensure that Python and Visual Studio Code are installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org and Visual Studio Code from code.visuals2dio.com. Step 2. Verify Python installation. Open a terminal in VS Code and type the following command to check if Python is installed. This should display the installed Python version. If Python is not recognized, make sure to add it to your system's path during the installation. Step 3. Install pip. Python versions 3.4 and above come with pip included. However, it's good practice to upgrade to the latest version. In the terminal, run the following command. This command ensures that pip is installed and updates it to the latest version. Step 4. Add pip to path. To make pip globally accessible, add it to your system's path. In the terminal, run. This command appends the pip installation directory to the path. Step 5. Verify pip installation. To confirm pip is installed, run. This should display the installed pip version, confirming a successful installation. Step 6. Install a package with pip. Now that pip is installed, let's install a package to demonstrate its functionality. Type the following command in the terminal. This installs the requests package, a commonly used library for making HTTP requests. Step 7. Verify package installation. Confirm the successful installation of the requests package. This command prints the installed requests version, verifying that the package is installed correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed pip in Python on Visual Studio Code and used it to install a Python package. You're now ready to explore and manage Python packages effortlessly within your VS Code environment. ChatGPT